Hi, this is the Price Action Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for people that have seen previous videos. This is Ethereum, so I just opened up the Ethereum chart. And if you haven't seen my previous video on Ethereum, that was here. And then I would have done videos earlier in the consolidation, just talking about expecting a breakout. The breakout was given away by a lot of things. I don't really want to get into this video. Every other video goes into depth, but basically that consolidation there and those pops, especially that one and the retrace, was indicative that this was going to break out. And some of the last video I did was a second bar up where I said, you know, it's getting late to enter. The thing that struck out was the chart has been left since last time. That was the projected price move. So you can see it hasn't, you know, when you're not, that looks like a long way to go. You know, before price fills that in, it kind of looks like wishful thinking, right? But it hasn't taken very long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days we're there. So, and you know, maybe price continues on and that projection doesn't look that accurate, but you know, if you're short-term trading, I'm not encouraging people to do that with cryptos, but if you're short-term trading and you have your exit there, well, you know, you've been filled. And again, on a short term, on a futures account, that's a lot of money. So Ethereum, that's a very strong move up. So strong moves don't always retrace and push up, but now that Ethereum is broken out of this consolidation pattern, and again, you know, its price went low and it's been in this consolidation pattern for a long time. Now it's pushing up. It's, you know, it's, to me, that's in an uptrend. So it's got more chance that this is going to continue on. You know, here's a support line. It's probably going to get to, sorry, this is now, this is now support. It's probably going to get to resistance eventually. You know, at this projected high and these highs, you're going to see weakness, the wicks painting in. But what I would expect is some sort of retrace. You know, it's either going to be deep or shallow, and then a continuation on. That's a very strong push up. You've got your volume spike. So it's good to see. It's good to see that that projection was right, and it was right very quickly. So just kind of indicative of the power of those projections. And if you're too lazy to go and watch the original video, that projection came from here. So that move up into the retrace, we just move that to this low here, and that's your projected push from the breakout. And again, that's just the initial, like, this is the first leg up, and this might, you know, this bar hasn't completed yet, so you might get another buying bar by the time that's closed, and then the retrace will be higher. But my expectation now is that you get a retrace at some level and then a continuation onto this resistance level. So price is currently at 0.0314, say, and the resistance level, let's call it 0.04. So Ethereum's looking very good. And I've noticed generally in the market, especially late last week, the majors were all looking good. Ethereum, Binance, Monero looks like it could be breaking out soon. Bitcoin is moving up. Might just have a quick look at that. And I have recently done a video on Bitcoin. I think what's happening here is very bullish. And I think I projected a 12,000. Next move will be 12,000. And that also was based on, you know, go watch the video if you're interested. The projection would have been something like that. So that's going to take us into that high. But I think Bitcoin's on the way up too. The volume hasn't really started to spike that yet, but you may, if price continues to push up, you'll probably see that soon. Otherwise, Bitcoin's looking good as well. Anyways, I thought I would just show that projection off, I guess. If you're interested in getting, getting entry alerts for things like this, the entry alert would have probably been between the green lines. I send out a nightly spreadsheet and alerts with good entry points. And when price was around here, this was my ideal entry for Ethereum. So you can see it's worked out so far, which is good. Anyways, if you're interested in doing that, please see the information about the subscriber service in the description. Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.